Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm coming to you guys from my car, the inside of my car. I'm just here, just gonna share with you guys an update on my car, on everything that I have in here, just kind of like an update on my new stuff in here and how I keep it organized and cute, and my essentials. So I do still have the same car. If you haven't seen it, I do have a car tour video and sharing with you guys all the information about my car, and it's still the same car. I do plan on getting another car, so stay tuned for that because I will be doing a car tour on that, and I don't know when it's gonna happen, but it is in the near future. So crossing my fingers it goes well, it goes smooth, and I'll share with you guys like the process and everything, and all the details about my new car once it happens. So enough rambling. I'm just going to pretty much begin to share with you guys everything, and before I begin, I will like to share this car scent that I have in my car, and it's like this bougie fancy car scent, and I think you guys will really enjoy it. It's pretty classy to just have in your car. I'm all about the car scents, and it's very important for me that my car smells good because I'm in it. I want to smell like something nice, and it's pleasant. So I will be sharing with you guys right now. Let me show you. So here it is. It is a really nice scent. This is from Odyssey Scent. It is the Velvet Rose, and it literally smells like roses, and this is how the back looks like. This is a UK brand, and then this is a super simple little scent that you could just keep in your car or like in your office, wherever you want to smell really nice. And then this is their other scent that they carry, also by Odyssey Scent, and it is this and it is inspired by black opium. And let me tell you guys, it's such like bougie packaging. It's gold and clear. I really enjoy how like classy this looks because of the gold, and it's pretty much an oil that you keep in your car. So like for a car scent to last longer, this is definitely it, because it will literally last you forever because it is an oil. So pretty much I'm just opening it up here, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So I'm just going to take this off, and then here we have just like the plug for the oil. So here are the instructions that it comes with. It just says open the lid, flip and absorb, and then just like leave it somewhere nice that you want to like display it, or somewhere in your car. I pretty much have this like right here on the side of my steering wheel. That way I can smell it and I can look at it whenever I'm getting in and out of my car. And I think it's just like a cute little touch. Here I still have my black furry steering wheel cover that I get from Amazon. And here I have just a phone holder, which I use all the time. This is a super sturdy one, also from Amazon. Here I just have my keys. I do have a pink silicone key cover, and I also have this super cute keychain with this hand sanitizer. Got to keep that everywhere. This is from Bath and Body Works. And then my keychain is from Amazon, and it has like cinema roll, which I think he's super cute. And then it has just a wristlet, which is super helpful. And then I have here just my melody on my keys and a hot pink key remote cover. These are super cute. I love these, and it takes care of my keys and my key car remote. And then I just have everything else right here. Hello guys. I do have hand sanitizer, just a bigger size bottle on the side. And then I also carry currently this Twisted Peppermint lotion from Bath and Body Works. It's like my scent right now because it's the holidays. I also have makeup remover wipes, some Victoria's Secret scent. This is so good. love this one. I have an extra masks and body lotion as well, and that is pretty much my essentials for my car. I do have just like a random bag just for trash because I never know when I accumulate trash in my car. On the back, I also have my yoga mat in pink, and then just like a pink little blanket if I ever get cold or if I ever need a blanket. It is right there. It comes in handy. And then this is my tripod for like my phone. If I ever need it for like a video or a picture, it's always in my car. And then everything else is just pretty much simple. Nothing else is in my car. This is the center of my car, and I just have chapstick, some sunglasses, and this is also how the center of my car looks like. I do have just some sparkly silver cup holder things that I made for my last video. They're just really helpful because I could put my drinks in there and it doesn't create water residue. It's just kind of like a silver foam. And then I have just like my so cute blue light up charger from eBay, and then just like the rest of my furry for my steering wheel. I also have the matching two furry what is it called, like the where you drive and then like the parking brake. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.